Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to change the corner radius of a shape in PowerPoint quickly and easily. First, open PowerPoint and navigate to the presentation where you want to edit your shape. Next, click on the shape you want to modify. You'll see several handles appear around it. Now, locate the small yellow dot handle on the shape. This is what allows you to adjust the corner radius. Click and drag the yellow dot to change the curvature. Dragging inward will make the corners more rounded, while dragging outward will sharpen them. Adjust until you achieve the desired corner radius. The changes apply immediately so you can see the effect in real time. And that's it. You've successfully changed the corner radius of a shape in PowerPoint, giving your slides a sleek and modern look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.